YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video. Over the weekend I funded a live account. I didn't know that today London was going to change their time. So instead of London opening at 3 a.m. for me, it opened at 4 a.m. for me. Hey man, I'm just a regular working class man. Nothing special about me, man. Just a regular. I do fucking floors, man. That's what I do. I do flooring. Today is Tuesday and it's currently around 4:30 a.m. in the morning right now. I just finished trading and it's crazy because I didn't know that today London was going to change their time. Like I think London changed their time on Sunday. So instead of London opening at 3 a.m. for me, it opened at 4 a.m. for me. You know what I'm saying? So we took a trade exactly at the opening, exactly at 4, and we lost. We did take a loss today. If you watched yesterday's video, then you know that I won't be trading on Wednesdays either. So tomorrow I'm going to be back testing. There's a few things that I want to back test, man, but yeah, so far we have taken an L, and we're gonna see how we end up the week, man, because we still got to trade on Thursday and Friday. So only trading 3 times, once a day. Win or lose, we walk away, and you know what I'm saying. That way, we're trading less, because in trading, the less is more. You know what I'm saying. But without further ado, man, let me get this 15-minute run, and I'm gonna see you guys after. All right, man. So we just finished doing this 15-minute run. We're back at the crib. You know what I'm saying. Now let's go back inside. Let me show you guys the trade that I took, the loss that I took. So yeah, man, let's get back inside. All right, man. So as you guys can see, this is the trade that we took. It was on ES. It was a demand on ES, and this is what I mean, man. London was supposed to open right here normally at 3 a.m. This is the 3 a.m. candle, but because London moved their time 1 hour back, opening was happening around here at the same time that I was taking this trade. So I took this trade exactly at the opening, and it became a loss. This was a $300 loss, man. Let me show you guys the account, the Topstep X account. This is a brand new 50k account, so you know this is my first trade on my 50k account, and we did take a loss on the first trade. You know what I'm saying. I lock it up. I lock this so I don't take any more trades. As you guys know, we're only taking one single trade a day, and we're calling it a day. So as you guys can see, this is the only trade that I've taken, and it was a $300 loss. So I was aiming for a 1.5 because I did enter aggressive here. I was expecting the market to come down here. I got in aggressive, and you know I was gonna take profit out of 1.5, because when I do enter aggressive, I like to aim for a little bit more than a 1-to-1. That's exactly the reason why I was aiming for a 1.5. But as you know, we lose. And let me explain the reason why I did take this trade. And as you guys can see, first thing we do is we look at the market conditions, right? First thing we do, I look at the market conditions, and I see that we have been coming down. We have been on a downtrend, but now we're breaking structure towards the upside, right? We're breaking structure towards the upside, and I'm thinking, if we're going to continue to drop, if we're going to continue to go towards the bottom, then at least we gotta take this high right here, right? So based on that information, I'm looking for buys to get towards this point, right? So we were coming down, we're breaking structure towards the upside now, and I see that we have a demand right here. So we marked up our demand, um, and we wait for it to be tapped. Once it comes to once it taps our demand, I see a rejection. It gives me a rejection. I get in. I put my stop loss underneath the zone, and it just, you know what I'm saying, just came in and stopped me out. So listen, I'm not mad about it because this is the type of trade that I've been back testing. The majority of the times it works. But I think what we did wrong here was that this was exactly at the opening. You know what I'm saying? And also something else that I could avoid is that the trend wasn't, you know what I'm saying, it wasn't crazy trending. It was only a little bit. Normally, the supply and demand works when the trend is very strong. Here, the trend you can see that it's pushing up, but it's not as strong as it should be. When I was backtesting, the more strong a trend is, the more the market has been going up and up and up and up. For London, it works opposite for New York, but for London, the more it has been going up, the more likely that supply and demand will work. If it's going up, demands are going to work. If it's coming down a lot, supply is going to work. So, for example, like right here, like this trend, it has to be something like this. It's been going up and up and up and up. This right here, it has been going up, but it hasn't been going up enough. You know what I'm saying? It's still got to break some highs up here. So we could have avoided this demand by waiting for a break of the candle. So instead of getting aggressive, we could have waited to get in right there. And if we have gotten the break of the candle, we would have gotten in, and you know what I'm saying, aim for a 1-to-1. But the reason why I also did end up getting aggressive was because I got in when this candle was coming down. So when I was looking at the candle size versus the size of the zone, as you guys can see, the zone was 1.9 points. The candle was 3.9 points. So the candle was way too big for me to wait for price to come up here, put a stop loss underneath that candle, and aim for a 1-to-1. It was too big. So instead, what I did was I got in aggressive. And like I said, I've been back testing this, so I know that it works majority of the time. So that's why I got in confident. I was confident in this trade, but it just didn't work out, and I just walked away. Like I said, we are only trading one time and we're walking away. Now, I also want to say this, man. This week, it was supposed to be, I was supposed to be trading the live account. You know what I'm saying? Over the weekend, I funded a live account. I have some money saved in on my live account because I was thinking of doing live account this time. I was thinking of taking the live account route, but honestly, I was thinking that elections are coming, holidays are coming. So do I want to risk using real money at this time right now? And the answer was no. I'd rather go with the 50K account, risk the demo money, and not to risk my own money. So I will be using the live account eventually. I'm gonna leave my money there. I already funded it, so the money is in the live account, but I'm gonna just keep it there until maybe sometime in the beginning of next year, because I want to wait for all these holidays or this election, all the noise. I want all the noise to go away. And once we are back to normal, regular market time, then I will be trading my live account. But as of for right now, I will continue to trade on my 50K account. And yeah, man. So yeah, tomorrow, like I said, we're not trading. We gotta wait until Thursday for our next trade, man. So it is what it is. All right, man. Back to work. Yo, it's already 7. It's still dark as hell. We got here again, man. Another day, another dollar. Hey man, I'm just a regular working class man. Nothing special about me, man. Just a regular. I do fucking floors, man. That's what I do. I do flooring. They got me here waiting, man. I got some tickets I gotta pay for, but for some reason they wanted me to show up to court. So I'm showing up to court, but I've been here since, like I said, 3, bro. I've been here for 30 minutes. I'm hungry, bro. I'm trying to go make some food right now because we just got back from work. And man, listen, I'm trying to get this over with, see what they're gonna say, and so I can go make some food because, as you know, I do not eat for the whole entire day. I only eat once a day, and I'm hungry as shit. But they're not even showing up, bro. I've been here for 30 minutes. I'm trying to leave this motherfucker, bro. Tell me, what do I gotta do? Just give me the tickets or something, bro, man. They got me wasting my time, bro. I barely have any time in my days, and they got me wasting a hell of time. So I was editing some videos, man. I was editing some videos. You guys better see this. You know what I'm saying? So far, I got like 10 minutes of it. So you guys better see this, man. That right there is gonna be on YouTube. Finally, after that long ass Zoom meeting, we made our pasta, man. We're going back to the pastas again because they're just that good, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we got some steak and, you know, penne buck or whatever the name of this is. And we got our water right there. So yeah, man, bon appetit. And just like that, man, you can see that I didn't come to play around, man. All I gotta do now is just drink this water. And I'm super duper full, man, for sure. Yes, bro, I clean the dishes as well. I just don't leave them there. You know what I'm saying? This is the worst part, man. I hate doing this shit. But I do it every day. You know what I'm saying? So the next time that I do come to cook again, they're clean. But I hate doing it. But yeah, man, just like that, this video comes to an end. As you know, tomorrow there will be no trading. Tomorrow what we're going to be doing is we're going to backtesting. And we're going to be backtesting consolidations in the higher time frame and how does the break of the 13 EMA works when it's breaking above or below when we are in consolidation on the higher time frame. We know that when we are in consolidation in the smaller time frame, like 5-minute consolidation, is no good. It doesn't work out. But when we have higher time frame consolidation, when we do break the 13 EMA, I feel like we can probably win because I've seen it win, but I'm not sure if it actually works. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for consolidation in the higher time frame and how does the 13 EMA works when we are in consolidation in the higher time frame, man. So yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what I get tomorrow, the results that I get, the whatever I learn from it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna give you guys free game. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing all the back testing, and then I'm gonna give you guys the free information. You know what I'm saying? It's like you guys are not even doing the work, but you guys are going to be informed with whatever I do get, man. So, like I said, man, no trading tomorrow. We're only going to be back testing. Trading will be on Thursday and Friday, so that way we're only trading 3 times a week. You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, man, this video is now over.